Amish furniture is renowned for its craftsmanship and beauty, but one Amish woodworker is working to add one more key element to their reputation: innovative features. Martin Yoder started his furniture woodshop in the early 2000s near Middlebury, Indiana. He was new to fine hardwood furniture, but brought with him 35 years of experience designing cabinets in the mobile home industry. Middlebury Furniture Collection started crafting fine furniture with just 2 employees and the highest quality standards. His attention to details that will please the customer has carried him through 14 years in the Amish furniture business. You have to ask yourself, what do people want? Martin told us. It's the key to growth. And grow they did. Martin now leads a team of 15 woodworkers and recently doubled the size of his shop. One popular new addition is his touchless motion light switch, which adjusts the lights in a case piece with simple hand motions. In addition to ease-of-use features like lift-top coffee tables and soft-closed doors, Martin's products include details like 1-inch thick tops, 1-inch thick writing pullouts for desks, and solid end panels for TV stands. Middlebury living room and office furniture is truly built to last. This is more than a business, Martin told us. We really want to give people what they want in high-end furniture. Martin values the friendships he has made nationwide as his business has grown and continues to look for new ways to provide comfort for customers with innovative designs full of custom features. With attention to every detail, the Middlebury Furniture Collection is a great place to start your shopping for living room or office furniture. Thanks for watching. Click the link to visit us at DutchCrafters.com. Talk to you soon.